let's open this. Yes. Okay, a lot of you already knows what this is, and I do too. Okay, it's a Nintendo 3DS that looks to be in really good shape. Okay, I don't know anything. The seller said that it's untested. It has been on the shelf for quite some time, and he hasn't been able to test it. We'll see. Okay, let's see what happens. It's in quite good shape. Nothing. All right, I have charged it, so let's open it up and let's check out the battery. All right. Oh, screw missing, so it's been opened. It has no serial number either. Well, we'll see what we're gonna find. Let's open it up. Let's take out the battery and measure it. Measure the voltage. Let's see what we get. Okay, a fluctuating battery that gives something like 1.5 volt, and yeah, this battery is bad. Let's figure out a way to power it up with something else. Hold on. I don't have a battery, so 3.7 volt from this phone right into this. Let's see what we get. Okay, we have blue light. Okay. Problem with the analog stick. So replacement or cleaning. But whoa, big problem. Dim top display, and this is bad. Or could it be just a loose connector? Or maybe dirty connector? I don't know. Well, let's open it up and have a look. It's the bottom screen's cable, but here is one cable that we need to right here. We need to remove that. Right here. Okay, there we go. Well, at least the connector seems to be good. Let's put this aside. Well, there is some dirt on all of this, so well, this is pretty clean, but this one has some dirt. Alright, since you can see it was just too hard to do anything about this, and I already knew before I even started that I'm not gonna... I just wanted to try, but these ribbon cables are just a nightmare to work with, so I ordered a new one. And it wasn't expensive, it was just 4 or 5 euros, I think, something like that. And now I just have to put it into the 3DS and try it out and see if it works. Alright, so I've been working with these ribbon cables for probably half an hour, maybe 45 minutes, and they are really hard to get in. You have to get it in the right order, and I mean, through this hole that they barely even fit in there. It's really annoying, but I finally got it, so let's do the rest and see. Alright, I put it together so we can test it and see if it works. A working battery into it. Let's see what happens. We got a blue light. There's some light there. Oh. Okay. We still have a problem with it goes to the right all the time. I don't know if this has to do with the controller or not. Okay, because you have to get under these small metal balls or pads or whatever, so you have to remove this. Okay. And if you can not break it, it's good. Sorry. Focus again. Come on. Okay. Let's save that for later. There. Let's clean this and it looks to be pretty good, so I'm not even sure if this was the problem, but we'll see soon enough. So this has the same problem still, but I finally found a solution that is might work. It's posted 2017. I found it on Google. I didn't know about it. When we have this scrolling issue, you can see the cursor going down all the time. But since audio works and this thumbstick works, it's not the chip error. It's a resistor that we need to remove, R118. So let's remove that resistor and see if it helps. It's located under the game port, and we need to unsolder these and whip it up a little bit and then take it out. If that doesn't help, I don't know, but let's do that first and we'll see. And I don't know where that resistor went. I just know that it's not there anymore. I don't know. Maybe it ended on the tip, but I couldn't find it. But I don't care. Let's put the battery in here and see if we got rid of the scrolling once and for all or not. Or will it even turn on? Alright. Play, power. It's taking. Oh, it's taking pretty long. Oh, hey! Whoa! Hey, the scrolling is gone. Amazing. Now I'll put this D-pad back, put everything together, and then we'll try it one more time with battery inside and everything. Let's see now. Yes. Looks good. I'm done. Thank you.